You to come and stay with me then.
Wait, you are going?
Yeah.
Madrid, no? Okay.
This is like a Qutub Minar. Yeah. Before people can visit the Qutub Minar just like this, but now the Qutub Minar is closed for public. But this is in Kohima, the mini Qutub Minar where you can still visit like this. Out here is very dark. You can see down there. So here is the bell of the church. You see big bells are tied here. It's such a big bell, and right now we are on top of this place where you can see down there is a church. Down there the city of Kohima. There's already many people up there, sisters and all.
Just wow. I'm in the top. Okay.
Tidak aman sini.
Ini debok sing ya warna sister.
Ini too close ya. Too close.
Ish ketutupan itu.
Kah. Online cerai ya.
Hah? Cerai deh kan. Ada biang kopi, ada biang. Oh, kopi ben.
Kacau gini nih Rasa. Belum.